What is carbon? Carbon is a chemical element and it is having the symbol as capital C. The atomic number of carbon is 6 and its electronic configuration is 2 and 4. That is, in the first shell it is having 2 electrons and in the second shell it is having 4 electrons. It is member of group 14 in the periodic table. It is non-metallic and tetravalent in nature. By tetravalent we mean that it is having 4 electrons which are available to form covalent chemical bonds. There are 3 isotopes of carbon, carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. While carbon 12 and carbon 13 are stable, whereas carbon 14 is radioactive in nature and it is unstable. The characteristics of hydrocarbons. The factors that determine the properties of a hydrocarbon are the number of carbon atoms present, how the atoms are arranged, that it can be straight chain, it can be a branched chain, it can be ring or cyclic. It is shown in the figure the straight chain structure, branched chain structure and the ring or the cyclic structure. Types of hydrocarbons. Basically, hydrocarbons are divided into two groups, saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons where there is presence of single bond between the carbon atoms, whereas the unsaturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons where the number of bonds is 2, 3 or more. I have already explained that what is a saturated hydrocarbon. So here the bonds are single bonds and the example of saturated hydrocarbons is the alkane group, which is the another name for saturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are the one which contains one or more double or triple bonds. There are 3 types of unsaturated hydrocarbons, namely alkenes, alkynes and aromatic hydrocarbons. Now let's talk about the structure of saturated hydrocarbons. The structure of saturated hydrocarbons is defined based upon the number of carbon atoms in them. For example, in methane, the carbon number is 1, so it is referred to as methane and the formula is CH4. Similarly, in ethane, the carbon number atom is 2 and the formula is C2H6. Then in the propane, the number of carbon atoms is 3 and the formula is C3H8. In butane, it is C4H10, pentane C5H12 and so on. Straight chains. A hydrocarbon can contain one carbon atom as in methane or thousands of carbon atoms as in cellulose. Branched chains. Carbon has an ability to form branches with other carbon atoms. Simple branch alkane often have a common name using a prefix to distinguish them from linear alkanes, for example, N-pentane, isopentane and neopentane. IUPAC naming conventions can be used to produce a systematic name for the branched chain hydrocarbons. The ring or the cyclic. Carbons can be arranged in the form of ring or cyclic. Examples of such hydrocarbons are benzene and cyclobutane. Thank you.